Imagine waking up to find $250 in your account every single day from work that practically runs itself. It's like having a money-making machine that works while you sleep. That can be your reality thanks to this AI side hustle nobody's talking about yet. I'm about to reveal how you can use this secret tool to create YouTube thumbnails that get tons of views. Whether you're a complete beginner or a seasoned entrepreneur, this video will show you how to tap into this gold mine before everyone else catches on. Stick around to learn how you can transform your online income with this easy-to-implement strategy. If you want to follow along, feel free to check out the description down below. Picture this. You've spent hours crafting what you think is the perfect YouTube thumbnail. But when you hit publish, crickets, your video gets buried and those views you hoped for never come. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. Most YouTubers waste time on thumbnails that don't work. Even professional designers often miss the mark. It's about creating something that grabs attention in a split second. Many creators give up, thinking they need expensive software or years of design experience. But that's not the real problem. Traditional design methods don't cut it in YouTube's fast-paced environment. YouTube is like a busy street filled with billboards. Your thumbnail is your storefront, and you've got half a second to make someone stop scrolling. That's tough for any thumbnail, let alone one that took hours to create. YouTubers often go wrong by copying what's already out there. The result, a sea of similar, ineffective thumbnails. Your potentially viral video gets lost in the crowd. But what if you could create top-performing thumbnails in minutes without fancy software or design skills? That's where Pikzels comes in. Pikzels is changing the game for YouTubers. It understands what works on YouTube. Here's why it's effective. It knows less is more with text. The best thumbnails use 3 to 5 words max. Pikzels helps keep your message clear and impactful. It uses bold, contrasting colors that make thumbnails pop. Your thumbnails will stand out like a neon sign at night. It understands the power of faces. Humans are drawn to emotions. So Pikzels helps you create thumbnails with expressive faces that grab attention. Consider this example. A how to make a perfect omelet video went viral. Why? Its thumbnail featured a bright, colorful close-up of the omelet. Compare that to a similar video with a dull, text-heavy thumbnail that got no clicks. The difference was night and day. Let's flip the script on thumbnail creation. What if instead of spending hours on design, you could generate click-worthy thumbnails with just a few clicks? That's where Pikzels comes in. And it's changing the game for YouTubers everywhere. Pikzels is like having a secret digital artist on your team, working for you 24/7. It's an AI-powered tool that's revolutionizing how we create thumbnails. Here's the cool part. You don't need any complicated editing skills. All you do is describe what you want. And the AI handles the design automatically, analyzing successful thumbnails across YouTube to inform its choices. It's that simple and smart. Now, let me show you some of the key features that make Pikzels so powerful. You can create a whole batch of thumbnails in minutes with one-click generation. There's also a face swap feature, perfect for those reaction-style thumbnails that get so many clicks. And if you want to add your own touch, Pikzels has editing options too. The results people are getting with Pikzels are pretty mind-blowing. Many users have reported big increases in video views after switching to Pikzels-generated thumbnails. One creator shared how their click-through rates jumped from 3% to 8% after using Pikzels for just 1 month. That's more than double the views. Want to get started with Pikzels? You'll find it in the link in the description. Now, you might be wondering, if everyone's using AI to make thumbnails, won't they all look the same? That's a good question. And some users have asked about this too. But here's the thing. Pikzels is designed to generate unique thumbnails every time. It's not just copying and pasting, it's creating something new for each video. Let me share a little trick that Pikzels offers. You can actually recreate thumbnails from existing popular videos by pasting the video link. This helps you generate appealing designs that resonate with viewers, without directly copying someone else's work. It's like having a cheat code for thumbnail success. The best part? All of this happens fast. In the world of YouTube, where trends come and go quickly, speed is crucial. Pikzels lets you keep up with the pace, pumping out fresh, eye-catching thumbnails for every video you make. Now let me show you how to turn Pikzels into a real moneymaker. 1. Master Pikzels. Practice making different thumbnail styles. 2. Build a portfolio. Create eye-catching samples. 3. Join freelancing places like Fiverr and Upwork. 4. Find YouTubers who need thumbnails. 5. Get fast at taking and fulfilling orders. Think of it like setting up a thumbnail factory. You're the boss. Pikzels is your main machine, and orders are flowing in non-stop. It's that simple. Now, you might wonder, can't YouTubers use Pikzels themselves? Sure, but most are too busy creating content. They'd rather pay someone to handle thumbnails so they can focus on what they do best. That's where you come in. As you work with clients, pay attention to their feedback. Use it to improve and expand what you offer. You could even start recreating popular thumbnails from successful channels using Pikzels. This unique service can really set you apart from other freelancers. Remember, YouTubers are always looking for ways to stand out and get more views. Your Pikzels-powered thumbnails can give them that edge. By providing fast, high-quality work, you're not just making money, you're helping creators succeed, and that's a win-win situation that can turn into a steady income stream for you. Let's wrap this up and talk about why Pikzels is a game changer. This AI tool isn't just making thumbnails, it's revolutionizing YouTube's success. You can even turn it into a $250 daily side hustle without making your own videos. The AI content creation market is set to hit $1.3 billion by 2025. As Gary Vaynerchuk says, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is now. Don't let this chance slip away. Imagine yourself running a successful thumbnail business, riding the AI wave to financial freedom. The opportunity is here, right now. Click the link in the description and start your journey today. The AI revolution is happening. Seize this moment and transform your future.